My name is Anora. My name is Vinana. Today we are going to do snake bubble experiment. Are you ready? Let's start. To do this experiment, we need plastic bottle, old sock, yucky, rubber band, soap, water, and food coloring. Cut the bottom of the plastic bottle. Wow! It's very nice. You want help? No, please. Set the sock over the cut end of the bottle and secure it with a rubber band. Add some water in the dish soap. If you want colorful bubble, add few drops of food coloring into the socks. You can add different colors in different spots for a rainbow effect. Dip the top cover end of the bottle into the bubble solution. Throw them out of the bottle. Create a long snake-like chain of bubbles. Dip. I dip very light. This is no bubbles. Wow! Look at it! Look at this! It looks like that I'm blowing a candle or I'm blowing a flower. Wow! These are cloud bubbles. Look, they're small, big. We can balance those. It can fly away. Cloud. Hope you like this experiment. It's a fluffy cloud. This is for you. Yeah, I love it. This is Wow! Lots of color shapes. Wow! This is for you. You.